Hey everyone, today's an exciting day because I just got my hands on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I thought I'd share a quick unboxing experience with you all. So let's start with the packaging. It's pretty standard, just a cardboard box with the Samsung logo on top. Nothing fancy, but the print did fade a bit, probably because of the ink used. Inside, the phone was neatly wrapped in a thin cardboard film for protection during shipping. And here it is, the star of the show, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The box itself is sleek. It's got that subtle drop shadow behind the device, giving it a nice touch. Inside, you'll find the Galaxy S24 Ultra lying flat and looking stunning as ever. Along with that, there's the usual charging cable, documentation, and all that jazz. I had the chance to use the Galaxy S24 Ultra during the Unpacked event, and I have to say, I really like how it feels in my hand. The boxy design is right up my alley, and in terms of weight, it's not too heavy, thanks to the titanium frame. The display is sharp and bright, making everything look vibrant and crisp. Setting up the software was pretty straightforward. One thing I noticed is that Google now asks you to set your preferred search engine for the homepage and Chrome. Once you're on the home screen, you'll notice there are only a few Samsung apps that can be removed. The Samsung Messages app is still there though, and you can't get rid of it. But hey, at least there's no bloatware. I really like the new lock screen widgets. They add a nice touch of customization. And the new always-on display is cool too, taking a page from Apple's book. But the best part is you can turn it off completely if you want. Now onto the camera. I think Samsung still has some work to do with the camera software, but hey, it's early days. There haven't been any software updates yet, so let's wait and see how it improves. And that's a wrap. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back. See you next time.